Okay, so having finished painting this house, you should have been able to download a nice PNG image of it, but that's just from one angle. To show it off from different angles, we're going to set some scenes. So the first thing I want to do is make a group out of my house. You should have already watched the video to do this, but I'm just going to give you a quick refresher. Using the M Move tool, you can see where the centers of these groups are. So I'm going to click and release and try and move my house to the center. So you may think, oh, that's pretty good, but this will show you how close you are. So I'm going to zoom in and look at this red axis right here. I'm going to move away from the red axis so that I'm parallel lined up with the little plus symbol. When I click and release, I'm now moving the house. I want to move it on the green axis so that it's only going to go in that one direction. So I'm going to then go to the line and click again, and I've moved that little red plus to the red axis. Let's do the other side. So I'm orbiting, so I'm looking at my green axis. I need to move this down here. So I'm going to move away from the green axis, click, release, and then move down. Again, don't go off of that axis. It should lock into place for you. You go click on the line, and we've moved it now. So there, our house is centered. And that's important because we are going to be exporting this to other programs and spinning the house around, and we want it to spin in place. All right, so before we start setting any scenes, let's get rid of the red, green, and blue axis. It'll look much nicer if when we go to display, we turn the axis off. And that should get us ready to set some scenes. So I'm going to go ahead and close the display right here. It should allow me to close that up. And I'm going to open up just the scenes. You can see here that I have the last image that was exported. It assumes that that's one of the scenes, and we don't want that to be one of them. So I'm going to click on the three little dots and delete. All right, so the thing to remember here is that this panel is not going to be in the animation that we're going to create. So often I will hide it so that I can position my house where I'm pretty close to it. Right about there. You don't want it to overlap with any of these parts. So I'm ready to set my first scene. So that's the little plus right there. It'll take just a moment, and then we'll add the scene to it. Again, you don't want to center it in this area because this part isn't going to be there, and it'll be way off center. All right, now let's go and pick another angle. So I'm going to orbit around. You basically want to go around and look at your house from the different angles. So I'm going to come over here and pick a nice where I can still see the front of the house. I've got my chimney visible, and I can see that I've got windows on this wall as well. So that's good enough. I'm going to open up scenes again, and I'm going to add a new one.